Discover Guangzhou's newest cultural treasure, the Guangzhou Cultural Center. This architectural masterpiece blends Lingnan garden artistry with modern design, creating a living museum where tradition meets innovation. Wander through serene pavilions, admire intricate craftsmanship, and immerse yourself in exhibitions, showcasing Cantonese opera embroidery and centuries of Pearl River Delta heritage. More than a museum, it's an interactive journey through Guangzhou's soul, where every corridor tells a story, and every courtyard echoes with history. Planning your Guangzhou adventure, but feeling unsure about navigating a new city? ILL be your first day guide. We'll tackle everything together, from mastering the metro and mobile payment apps, to ordering local dishes and understanding cultural nuances. Conquer the first day with confidence, and you'll be ready to explore freely afterward. Let's turn your initial hesitation into an unforgettable journey. ILL help you start strong, so you can wander fearlessly.